Okay, so we've got a wee Toyota Yaris on the ramp today. Thought it'd be good just to show you the repair process from start to finish. This one's going to get a new front wing, blend the colour onto the front bumper, blend the colour onto the back door, and potentially blend the colour up the pillar. You can see the damage. It's kind of had a bit of an argument with a gate post, I believe. Totally not repairable, so we're going to replace it with a brand new OEM front wing. Okay, so damaged front wing's off. I've already wet primed and painted in the edges of the new front wing, which I'll stick that video in now. And then once you've seen that, I'll stick you back on hyperlapse and we'll fit the new wing, which, as I say, has been primed and painted but not lacquered. We'll paint and lacquer the wing, blend to the door and blend to the front bumper all in one sitting. Okay, so new wing on. Bear in mind that this wing has only had one coat of base coat, so it's not going to match. Basically the primer's shining through, but all the edges have been painted up and all the paint's where it needs to be. And the next thing to do is get the car off the ramp, into the booth, and we'll mask it up and get it ready for painting. Okay, so car in the booth, all masked up, sanded down, ready to go. First stage is base coat. Base coat in the gun. Ready to paint. This is 2 or 3 coats of base coat. Colour solid on the wing, blended onto the front bumper, blended onto the door. All ready for the clear coat. In this stage here, car's all clear coated. 2 coats of clear coat. And I've already started to unmask the trim and below the window so that there's no lacquer bridging between the masking tape and the clear coat. Okay, so back on the Toyota Yaris, just out the booth. It's a gun finish. Basically just put it back in the ramp and just finalise it, put the headlight back in it, arch liner back in it, bits of trim. Give it a quick run over with the polisher and that'll be good to go back to the customer. So stick you in hyperlapse and film the final parts. Okay, so that's the Toyota Yaris all built back up. And just give it a wee final run over with the polisher. There's not a lot of nibs or dirt in the paint finish, so it was just a wee tickle over just to take that sort of fresh paint look away from it. And obviously I caught in the back door a wee bit with a scotchy, so I polished that, so it's all looking nice and shiny. So all I've got to do now is run the car outside into the wash bay, give it a nice wash, and then it can go back to the customer. So I think that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it was informative. Obviously I'm new to this, I'm learning all the time. I think the next one we'll try and do a bit more filming in the booth and a bit more talking in the booth. But that's it for this one, guys.